Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's check the updates which has happened today in the live market. And before going to that, let's check how the indexes has closed after 3:30. When coming to Nifty 50, it gave nearly a flat closing. 19,802 is the closing price of Nifty 50. When coming to Bank Nifty, it has been different because it gave 127 points up. 43,577 is the closing price of Bank Nifty. That is nearly 0.29% positive closing. When coming to Sensex, it is almost flat closing. Today we have experienced some volatile session. The closing price of Sensex is 66,017 points. So it is nearly the opening price and the closing price are same. Today we have an important update regarding the artificial intelligence which has been misused to generate deepfakes. So let's dive into the details. Deepfakes are synthetically generated media that use artificial intelligence to realistically replace a person's likeness or voice. They can be used for malicious purposes such as spreading misinformation or damaging someone's reputation. The Indian government has some concerns. The government is concerned about the potential harm that deepfakes can cause. In particular, they are worried about the potential for deepfakes to be used to interfere with elections or to spread hate speech. The government is planning to develop a new regulation to tackle deepfakes. The regulation is likely to include provisions for penalties on people which create or upload deepfakes. It may also include provisions for labeling and watermarking deepfakes so that users can easily identify them. The Indian government met with representatives of social media on November 23rd to discuss deepfakes. The government has made discussions with social media companies. The government asked the companies to do more combat. That means it asked the companies to combat the spread of deepfakes on their platforms. The government plans to meet with social media campaigns against in the first week of December to discuss follow-up actions on decisions taken on November 23rd. The government will also develop a public consultation on the draft regulation. The Indian government is taking steps to address the growing threat of deepfakes. The government's plans include developing a new regulation and working with social media companies to combat the spread of deepfakes. I encourage everyone to learn more about deepfakes and how to spot them. There are many resources available online, including the website of the Deepfake Detection Challenge. Today we have another important update from Tata Technologies IPO, which has been subscribed 12.15 times on day 2. Yes, you had it right. That's 12 times of the initial shares that has been allotted for IPO. The Tata Technologies IPO is the initial public offering of Tata Technologies, a subsidiary of Tata Motors. The company provides engineering and design services to the automotive, aerospace, and industrial sectors. The price band is 475 to 500 rupees per share that we have discussed in the previous video also. The IPO has been subscribed 12.15 times on day 2. This means that there have been more bids for shares than available. Allotment date is November 30. Refund date is December 1st. Listing date is December 5th. So there are some pros and cons that has to be considered while investing in Tata Technologies IPOs. For example, strong and experienced promoters are from Tata. So Tata Technologies IPO has some strong and experienced promoters and deep relationship with clients across globe. We know how Tata works. And there are some cons too. One third business from Tata Group. Few group companies operate in similar kind of business. So there are cons too. So one should check pros and cons before subscribing to Tata Technologies IPOs. If you are looking for a long-term investment with potential high returns, please consider your financial advisor before taking any decisions. Today we have another important update from Bajaj Auto. Yes, Bajaj Auto is about to launch its new bike. So today I am going to talk about the Bajaj Auto's plan to launch the world's first CNG powered motorcycle. This is a major development for the company and it's the one that could have a significant impact on the automotive industry. Bajaj Auto is one of the India's largest two-wheeler manufacturer. The company is known for its innovative and fuel-efficient motorcycles. Now, Bajaj Auto is taking things a little further with its plan to launch a new CNG powered motorcycle. CNG or compressed natural gas is a cleaner burning fuel than gasoline. It's also cheaper than gasoline, which could have saved consumers a lot of money on fuel costs. There are some challenges involved in developing a CNG powered motorcycle. One challenge is that CNG cylinders are bulky and heavy. This can make it difficult to design a motorcycle that is both fuel efficient and practical. Another challenge is that CNG is not ready available as gasoline. This could make it worse for consumers to find CNG fueling stations. Despite these challenges, Bajaj Auto is committed to perfecting its CNG powered motorcycle. The company is investing heavily in research and development, and it's confident that it can overcome the challenges and bring a viable product to market. There are many benefits to using a CNG powered motorcycle. CNG is a cleaner burning fuel than gasoline, so it produces fewer emissions. Bajaj Auto is financially strong company. The company's net profit rose 20% year on year in the September quarter. Total revenue from operations is increased by 5.6%. Bajaj Auto's plan to launch a CNG powered motorcycle are a major development for the company. This is a significant step towards a more sustainable future for the automotive industry. Yes, that's all for today. If you really found this video helpful, please definitely like this video and subscribe to the channel Financial Radio. Thank you.